please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Click up here for more videos and give it a like. I need only 20,000 likes. Give it a like, enjoy it, share it, and this is what I'm gonna show you. Your fridge. This is the fridge. The fridge is off, right? But your fridge probably went like that. It's on now. And shuts off in a few seconds. Did you see that? Listen again, okay? I'm gonna shut it off, and then I'm gonna turn it back on. Oh no, now it won't even turn on now, but it will turn on and shut off in a couple seconds. I'll show you again. I'll let you know again when it's on. It's on. It goes on for a couple seconds and then it shuts off, completely off. Let me see if I could get it to recycle again. Let me see. Let me see if he does it again. Let me see. I'm gonna be quiet and you listen. There we go, it's on. And it went off with a little click. The reason it goes off, the reason it goes on and off and it clicks is because most likely this piece went off. Is the starter relay. The starter relay goes off, and then you gotta Google it, get a new one, and then you'll be able to put it back in, and I'll show you where it goes. And it goes right here. Watch, I'll show you everything, okay? It goes right here. We have to unscrew this right here. We unscrew this. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but anyways, I'm doing it. There you go. Unscrew it, but you gotta unplug it too. Make sure you unplug it. So it's unplugged now to stay safe. So it's unplugged and it's unscrewed. And this piece is right there, that piece right there. So we bring it out. There we go. It came out. You see that? It came out like that. You got the two holes right there. This one got the two holes right here. You see that? So now that it came out, we do this like this. Watch and see. Since it came out, we have to unplug this one right here, this one right there, and this one right here, and that one right there. So that one goes right here, meaning you see the little notch over here. That's the direction it goes, right here, this direction right there. So we go right here like that, and then we plug this one over here like this, and then we plug it in again. We plug it back in. So it's all the way in, and that should fix the whole problem. So this one was probably bad. Oh, it sounds bad too. There, it sounds bad. So when I sound it, when I shake it, There we go. It's giving a sound. That means it's bad. Well, anyways, so then we go back over here to the fridge, and it's completely off because it's unplugged, and we shut it off, completely shut off to find out what it does. And then we plug it in. This is to test it, okay? So we plug it in, then we come back over here again. We plugged it in, we come back over here, then we see it's on. This is how we know it's broken. Because that noise, it rattles. And the new one, this is the new one, it does not rattle. So now we're gonna put it back together again. We're gonna put it back together again. It's gonna go, and it's going to go like that again. Now this one goes right here, this one goes right there, like that. Then and then this goes right here like this. Yes. So now I'm gonna put it on. We're not gonna put it here in over here. This goes like that, right there, like that. Goes like that. Into those pins of the if you could see the pins of those pins of the into these pins right here. You got 3 pins right there. You got I don't know if you could see right there. You got 1, 2, and 3. So this white one goes in the first pin in the bottom. Like that. And this black one goes in the other 2 pins on the top. Like that. Just like that. It's connected just like that. Now we're gonna try it. Now let's try it. Let me take you over here. Now, so now we got the brand new relay. We connected back in again. We got the brand new relay, which was, this is the old one. That's the new one, and the new overload piece is the bad one. It rattles. And now we connected it. We come over here and we started. See what happens. There. Here, I'm gonna shut it off again. You hear that noise when it goes on. It goes off. Completely off. On zero right there. Right there. It shows the arrow over there. Says 0. Right there. Let me see if I focus a little better. 0. And now listen to the noise. There, the noise came on. The noise came on. And the fridge should be on now from. And that's it. That was the end of fixing up this fridge. So the fridge is working perfectly fine now. Nothing wrong with it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Click up here, right here, and right here, and right here for more videos. And also at the beginning of the videos, there's a lot of videos to look at. I got a lot of videos to look at. So just look at them and let me know. Let me know if you have any questions. You make comments. Give it a like. I need a lot of likes. I need 20,000 likes. And thanks for watching. All right, bye bye.